In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a personal task list in Monday.com. This process will help you stay organized and ensure that you can manage your tasks efficiently using this versatile platform. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to add a new board to your workspace. To do this, look over to the left-hand panel next to your current workspace name. You should see a plus icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will allow you to add a new board to your collection of tools within Monday.com and is the starting point for setting up your personal task list. Once you click the plus icon, a list of options appears. Choose Board from this list. This selection will bring up a pop-up window where you'll begin crafting your new board, which will serve as your personal task list going forward. The first thing you need to do in this setup process is to give your board a name. The name should be something that clearly indicates the purpose of the board. Considering this is going to function as your task list, you might want to call it something straightforward, like My Tasks or Personal Tasks. Naming your board is a crucial first step because it helps you easily identify its purpose amidst the other boards you may have in your workspace. Once you've settled on a name for your board, you'll want to focus on the privacy settings. Here you can control who has access to this new board. Since it's a personal task list, you might want to keep it private, meaning only you can view and edit it. However, if you need to collaborate with colleagues or friends on certain tasks, you might prefer setting it to a shareable mode where others can also access it. Choosing the right setting ensures your tasks are either just for your eyes or collaborative, depending on your needs. After setting the privacy, you need to specify exactly what you are managing with this board. In this case, since we are creating a task list, you'll select Tasks from the provided options. This selection ensures that your board layout and functionalities are optimized for managing tasks, which aligns perfectly with creating a personal task list on Monday.com. Once you've named your board, set its privacy, and chosen the type to manage, you can proceed to create the board. From this point, a world of personalization awaits. The board is like a blank canvas where you can start editing and customizing according to your workflow needs. You can create or delete columns to fit different categories of tasks, add dates to keep track of deadlines, and name different sections to organize everything neatly. It's all up to you how you want your personal task list to look and function. And that's all there is to it. You now have your very own personal task list in Monday.com, customized exactly to your liking. This will help you keep track of your to-dos efficiently and visually, making daily task management a breeze.